Hello, thought we'd have something a bit different on the channel today. We're out in the outside. Thought I'd share with you a little project I've been working on. A sleeper wall, retaining wall. There's loads of earth here before. So I looked at loads of YouTube videos myself on how to build a sleeper retaining wall. I thought I would return the favour. Hopefully it'd be helpful for anyone who's planning on a similar project, because I keep watching at the end because I've got a little slideshow of it in progress. Now I think I used about 20 sleepers, all in all £600 it cost. Laid them all on their flat sides. They are 2.4s, 200 by 100 mil. So at first I had to dig it all out. I'm going to post some, I didn't take any video of me making it, so I'm going to post a little slideshow at the end of it in progress. So I didn't take any video of that at all, a bit annoying. So yeah, so basically I had to dig out all the earth to get it all flat. Used fabric, landscaping fabric around the back there to keep the dirt away. And then I brought some pea shingle, not pea shingle, it was lime slate from Wix's for drainage at the bottom there. So we use that for drainage. Quite a lot of bags, and I put a load around the back, if you can see. I don't know if you can see it down there. No, I can't see it, a bit too dark. Oh, let's have a little look. Oh, God, too many bushes. Anyway, it's behind there anyway. I use these pins here to keep the landscape fabric in place. Got them off Amazon, they're very handy. So basically we use 6 of these timber screws in each, I did it all on my own. six of those, 150 mil long in each sleeper. And I countersunk them, because if you see they've got a little raised bit there, so that they would sit nicely. So 6 in each sleeper. So this is 6 high as well, sleepers high. Yep. So we've done that all the way along. And for the top layer, I put the didn't drill into the top. I screwed into the side, the back of it, so you couldn't see them. See them? There's one there. Where are we looking? There we go. So I screwed them in at the back, so you can't see the screws. But it says you don't need to pre-drill, but I did, because I found my little drills running out of charge very quickly. So I pre-drilled the holes, made life a little bit easier. Then I finished it off with, I should have sanded them down in hindsight, but my sander's knackered, so I couldn't do that. So I used, what did I use? I used Screwfix's No Mess, No Nonsense decking oil to finish it off. It's like a clear version, so it gives it a nice natural look. I've got a little bit of green coming through there, but I ain't worried about that. That will vanish next year by the time I sand it. I'll sand it down next year properly. Give it another finish. You won't see that probably. So there you go. That's my little railway sleeper job. So it's all going to be decking down here next to it. That's the next phase. So I'm going to finish everything. Yeah, just used a mitre saw to chop the wood. Finished it off with a saw because it couldn't quite reach all the way through. So it's not too bad. Anyhow, that's my little decking job. So yeah, railway sleeper wall. So I've got to carry on around the back. Ooh, lots of work. Just a little addition. I forgot to mention the very bottom row are held in place by 3 metal rods. I couldn't find any rebar, so I had to buy some Wix's did screw, threaded long bars, threaded bars. So I put 3 quite long ones, drilled through each, 3 holes in each sleeper at the bottom, and whacked these big 3 bars in each sleeper at the bottom to keep it in place. Not sure if it's necessary, but stop it moving. So it's got three drilled through the bottom sleepers basically, and hammered these 3 bars in to keep them in place for additional support. Initially it was just going to be one big long length, but it looked a bit weird, so I made a little dog leg on the left here, which is only 2 sleepers high, not to sort of tidy it in at the bottom there, just to make it look a bit better. It looked a bit weird, but yeah, it's going to be decking all over here afterwards when we're finished. So yep, so it lines up, a bit of a mess around there, so it lines up with the rest of the house. Nice bit of decking, so that's going to be the next job. Anyway, if you want to see that, it will be a while, but I might post a video when it's finished. Let us know if you want to see that. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to put some slides, little slideshow, work in progress. So there you go. Thank you for watching.